Imagine this. You're sitting at your desk, overwhelmed by 100 different things to learn, tasks to complete, and ideas to explore. You're grateful for technology that can lighten the load, an AI that answers your questions instantly, finishes your emails, organizes your calendar, and even suggests improvements to your work. Life gets simpler, and who doesn't love a bit of ease? But ease, it turns out, can come with a cost. As we integrate artificial intelligence deeper into our lives, we find ourselves at a fork in the road. On one side is the path of genuine growth, a path where AI and human intelligence work together, expanding our understanding, honing our skills, and fueling a cycle of continuous learning. But it can be hard to articulate how to get here, so we'll put that off to the second half. We'll first look at the other possibility. This one starts with seemingly harmless choices to prioritize security, ease, and efficiency. Many visions for how artificial intelligence should be implemented focus on these. But be careful what you wish for. It is only by understanding outcomes that we can take the first steps toward avoiding them. Our choices may lead us somewhere very different. A gradual loss of capability, dependency on the machine, and ultimately, stagnation. So let's take a closer look and examine whether our dreams and desires for artificial intelligence are aligned with our best interests. So let's consider how paths of development could reach a stable outcome, good or bad, and figure out what causes it. But as I said, we'll start with the negated state. We need to learn to predict problems. In this state, our knowledge, skills, and drive for learning are eroded. The irony is that it all begins with the best intentions, choosing convenience, security, and efficiency. These sound harmless, even beneficial, right? They're things we naturally want. But as we'll see, these seemingly positive choices lead us down a path where, step by step, we trade away our self-reliance and capacity for growth. Picture yourself years down this path. You're surrounded by devices and interfaces that answer questions before you even think to ask. The AI predicts what you need to know and presents it neatly on the screen. Easy, convenient, tailored. But here's the catch. Because the answers come so effortlessly, the drive to explore starts to fade. You don't need to dig deeper because the AI has all the information you need right there. The result? Knowledge erosion. The habit of deep learning is replaced by surface-level familiarity. Instead of building knowledge, we end up skimming it, our understanding reduced to what's presented to us. Over time, this shallow engagement creates a dependency on AI for even basic insights, and our depth of understanding begins to shrink. We're getting information, but we're losing context, intuition, and the critical thinking that comes from wrestling with ideas ourselves. Next, let's look at skill deterioration. Imagine you're working on a project. You need to analyze data, draft a report, or create a design. Your AI steps in, suggesting improvements, filling in gaps, and even completing parts of the task for you. At first, this is a relief. It's efficient, right? But over time, as you start to let the AI handle more of the work, your own skill set doesn't just stay static, it begins to deteriorate. Here's why. Skills need practice. Writing, designing, critical analysis, these require hands-on engagement to keep sharp. When AI steps in to streamline tasks, it starts to replace that practice. Over time, the very skills that once empowered us become outsourced. We become skilled in using the AI, but less skilled in the actual task. This leads us to a point where our abilities degrade. We're no longer creators and problem solvers, we're users, reliant on a system that may be better than us at the task, but leaves us weaker each time it takes over. Finally, let's look at stagnation in learning. AI makes it easy to get answers, to rely on systems that know what we're trying to achieve. But as AI fills in for our curiosity, it diminishes our need to explore. In other words, when AI knows for us, we stop searching. Learning isn't just about answers, it's about the process of discovery, of trial and error, and of understanding things in a way that connects to everything else we know. But the more we rely on AI for ready-made solutions, the less we push ourselves to learn and adapt. Our curiosity plateaus, and we start losing the desire for growth. This is what I mean by stagnation. Our drive to learn diminishes, as does our adaptability. We've traded the adventure of discovery for the convenience of an answer. Now, how did we end up in this negated state? Let's backtrack to the decisions that got us here. Those seemingly positive choices that led us to dependency. It starts with these three priorities: security, ease, and efficiency. Security. In a world of rapid change and overwhelming data, the certainty that AI offers feels like an anchor. AI gives us accurate, tailored answers that make us feel secure. But security, when it comes at the cost of engagement, limits our ability to explore uncertainties or build resilience. As we default to AI for reliable information, we miss the chance to develop our own knowledge base, gradually replacing it with a dependency on AI's reliability. Ease. Who doesn't want a little convenience? With AI, we get instant answers, pre-completed tasks, and shortcuts through complexity. But ease has a hidden cost. When we hand over tasks to AI in the name of convenience, we remove ourselves from the hands-on practice that builds skill. What starts as saving time ultimately prevents us from engaging deeply in learning. Our skills, without consistent application, naturally atrophy. Efficiency. AI's efficiency is impressive. It can streamline workflows and make us more productive. But when productivity becomes the goal, our focus shifts to outcome over process, completion over understanding. In this pursuit of efficiency, we let AI take on complex decisions and problem-solving. Our ability to think critically, analyze, and adapt is diminished, leaving us with quick solutions but little lasting knowledge. And that's the trap. Each choice, while appealing on its own, gradually moves us away from growth. Taken together, they lead us step by step into a negated state, a place where knowledge erodes, skills deteriorate, and learning stagnates. By the time we realize it, we're no longer driving the car. The AI is. And we're left as passengers, passive recipients of information and answers we don't fully understand. So, what if things could be different? Imagine a future where AI doesn't just replace our efforts, but actually amplifies our potential, acting as a partner in learning and growth. This is the Affirmed Path, a vision where humans and AI work in concert, each amplifying the other's strengths to create a dynamic, continuous cycle of growth. Let's look at what that could mean in practice, starting with knowledge enhancement, then skill augmentation, and finally, continuous learning. Imagine AI as a powerful lens, revealing hidden patterns in vast landscapes of data. It's as if we're explorers, and AI is our high-powered telescope. With it, we can see deeper into our universe of information than ever before. In this scenario, AI isn't just feeding us answers, it's highlighting patterns we can explore further. Think of the possibilities. With AI analyzing enormous datasets, we can direct it to examine specific questions we're curious about, from climate science to human behavior. AI's pattern recognition brings us insights, while we, with our unique capacity for connecting ideas across fields, interpret and expand on them, creating new knowledge. The dynamic is one of mutual discovery. AI's findings spark our curiosity, and our curiosity guides the AI toward new questions, making knowledge enhancement a continuously expanding process. Now, let's look at skill augmentation. Picture a musician or an artist using AI as a collaborative tool. The AI might analyze previous compositions or designs, suggesting variations that push the artist's creativity to new places. Here, AI isn't a replacement, but a catalyst for greater mastery. In this vision, people actively use AI to refine their abilities, whether it's in language, design, data analysis, or even physical skills like athletics. AI provides real-time feedback, analyzing details we might miss and helping us make adjustments on the fly. But crucially, the person stays in control, remaining engaged in the process. The skills we develop become richer and the experience more immersive, because we're not just letting AI perform tasks, we're growing alongside it. Through this constant exchange, people become even more skilled and creative, their abilities honed by the AI's unique capacity for precision and detail. The result? Skills that don't just persist but evolve, becoming more sophisticated and adaptive, reinforcing our confidence and mastery. Finally, let's look at the future of continuous learning. In this vision, AI serves as a lifelong learning partner, guiding us to new discoveries that fuel our curiosity. Rather than simply providing quick answers, AI encourages us to explore complex ideas, ask new questions, and adapt to changing knowledge landscapes. Imagine a world where AI suggests learning paths based on emerging knowledge, helping people keep pace with new fields and skills. Here, learning doesn't stagnate. Instead, it remains a journey, one where AI brings new insights to our attention, but we actively decide how to pursue them. Continuous learning becomes a co-creative process where AI highlights what we don't yet know and inspires us to deepen our understanding. This dynamic empowers people to stay agile and curious. AI supports our learning, but we remain the drivers of that exploration, setting goals, seeking answers, and pushing boundaries. With AI as a partner, we're not just absorbing knowledge, we're evolving in tandem with it, cultivating adaptability and an openness to growth. So how do we move toward this affirmed path? It begins by re-examining our priorities. Instead of seeking AI for pure security, ease, and efficiency, we can reframe our priorities toward growth, empowerment, and curiosity, principles that can shape how AI is developed and integrated into our lives. If our priority is growth, AI can be designed to amplify our learning, challenging us to grow and develop rather than merely offering solutions. This orientation would favor AI systems that promote complex problem solving, encourage curiosity, and keep us engaged in a journey of discovery. If we see AI as a tool for empowerment, it can be built to support skills rather than substitute them. AI can provide personalized feedback, show us where we can improve, and help us build confidence in our abilities. By guiding AI development with empowerment in mind, we ensure it serves as a bridge to greater mastery rather than a crutch that weakens our autonomy. Curiosity-driven AI is one that encourages us to ask questions, explore unknowns, and stay engaged in learning. This priority would inspire AI that not only provides answers, but also suggests new areas of exploration and complex challenges to push us further. In this vision, AI isn't a destination. It's a compass, guiding us toward deeper understanding and continuous growth. In choosing these priorities, growth, empowerment, and curiosity, we create a future where AI and human intelligence complement each other, each bringing unique strengths to a partnership rooted in mutual enhancement. This affirmed path isn't just an alternative. It's a vision where we as humans are deeply engaged, constantly learning and forever growing alongside the technology we create. It's a vision that honors both our inherent capabilities and AI's incredible potential, and one that is within our reach if we choose to guide AI's development with intention.